Hello there, my friends, and welcome to day number 17 of this 30-day content marketing strategy, where I take you by the hand and walk you step by step by giving you ideas of content to create for your business to help you generate leads and sales. Now, if you've missed the other videos, go ahead and click the link in the description. There's a playlist in there that goes from day 1 to day 30. So what you want to do is watch the videos in order and then take action, right? Apply what you're learning from those videos. Now, if you're interested in learning from my 7-figure millionaire mentors, then stick around to the very end because I have something exciting to share with you, okay? Now, we started a 5-day challenge, and today is actually day number 3 of that challenge, right? So the challenge is going on within your 30-day content marketing strategy, right? So day 3 of my challenge, if you want to start a successful digital business online, is after you've picked your niche, you've done your research, you've set up your automated marketing system, hopefully it's done for you. The next step is you need to set up different storefronts on different social networking platforms. So let me ask you this. Type in the comments, one in the comments, if you are on social media, just liking and scrolling and commenting for no reason, right? Just on autopilot. Or are you using these platforms as lead generation machines to help you generate leads for your business, right? Because if you are using a platform for free, chances are you are the product, right? You are the product you're being advertised to. So I'm happy to be the product as long as I'm using that platform to help me build my business, right? So I'm going to just show you my social media platforms just to give you an idea, right? So think of this as the offline space where you'd have a traditional store, right? So you need to make sure your store looks good on the outside, and as people are walking by, you need to create interest. You need to have things going on in your shop that makes them walk in and see what's going on, right? So let me give you an example and show you a few platforms that I use. So the first one is Facebook. I was never on Facebook before 2020. And the only reason I got on Facebook was to use it as a lead generation machine, right? So you can see here my cover on Facebook is, what is it doing? It doesn't have a picture of my family, my cat, my dog, and all that. It's actually a lead, it's a sign, it's a banner on my store. And what I'm doing here is I'm giving away a free copy of a 10K in 30 days guide, okay? So when people are walking past my store, they're like, oh, what's this? Let me learn more, right? There's a picture of me smiling there, welcoming them into my store. And a quick tip, you should have the same picture on your different social networking sites. It should be you, they should see the whites of your eye, the whites of your teeth, right? Imagine you standing outside the door, welcoming people into your store, okay? And then, every social media platform will some of them you have to earn the right, but you'll be able to put links in your profile page, links to your other social media platforms. So make sure that you are not wasting this real estate, but you're actually setting up a store, an online store that you can use to generate leads for your business, right? So that's an example of my store. Here's another store that I have, right? This is TikTok, where I have a store out there that people are passing by, they want to learn more, and they look through the window. And the way they enter your store, by the way, is by going into your automated marketing system, right? So once they look into your store, they like what you see, they'll click the link. By the way, this link is here. It's the same link that's here as well, okay? It's the same link that's here. That's the exact same link. So you can see the similarities, right? Same picture, same link, and same copy here. I'm giving away a guide, right? So I want people walking past the shop to be able to go, oh, okay, I want that free guide. And then when they do click here, I'm able to take them from those social media platforms into my world, into my list, right? So I can build a relationship with them, get them to know, like, and trust me, and follow up with them. So this is my my shop. So what I've learned that I'm starting to apply is to have banners like this. So when people land on my store and they're scrolling down, they get an idea of what I'm about, right? They get an idea of who I'm speaking to. So you're gonna see me say moms, 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 busy moms. So they know my audience can recognize themselves in this. And then by that as well, they can see what it is I'm talking about, right? So they can see, okay, tired of missing precious memories with your kids. The secret to earning $900 daily. So this is just something I've learned from this program I'm going to share with you that I'm starting to apply. Okay. So ideally, all these here should have these banners there. But to be honest with you, I'm just lazy to actually put those, right? But every time I record my own videos, I make sure I have that banner there. Okay. So every time have something going on. So when people are walking past, they get intrigued, they come in, they want to know more, okay? So on and so forth. So what you need to do is, day 3 is actually look at your social media platforms and actually convert them into your storefronts and start to use them to generate leads for your business, right? And if you are interested in learning how to do that, then I invite you to actually go ahead and click the link below to actually claim your free copy of our 10K in 30 days guide, where you can learn more about this business model. Now, be sure to check your email, right? Spam folder, promotion folder, because when I deliver the guide to you, I'm going to give you access to a private members only community of like-minded entrepreneurs where you can ask any questions. You can see some of the proof that the successes that are going on, see the proof, and please respond to that email. Ask me any questions that you might have. I'll be more than happy to record a video like this, answer the questions, and actually share my screen as well and point you in the right direction so that you make an informed decision, because I've come across a gold mine and I want to see you win, but you have to want it for yourself, right? You got to be hungry. You got to be willing to learn, okay? So let me just finish off here by just sharing with you some testimonials that we have in our community. Our community here has over 38,000 members, right? So 38,510 members in our community. And here, the calendar here, we have live training and mentorship. So Tuesday at 1 o'clock Dublin time, I'm not going to be live on this, but I'll be able to catch the replay where the CEO of a tool that we can use to promote to publish our content on to repurpose our content on different platforms, going to come train us, okay? So I'll be able to catch the replay. I'll show you where I can catch it. Otherwise, we have technical calls for anybody needing technical support. They can attend those, unmute themselves, ask questions. Here we have mentoring, where 7-figure, 6-figure earners teach us about the tricks and tools and allow us to unmute ourselves, ask questions. So every single week in my calendar, I have these. Actually, today is Sunday. I'm recording this. I go into this calendar, check what's going on, and I go into my Google and schedule them so I don't miss them, right? So that's that. And this is our classroom here. This, by the way, is a bonus site. One thing we get in the first thing is our mentor, our millionaire mentor, every day sends us a video, which is like 5 to 10 minutes long, where she just gives us pure gold, right? Sometimes it's mindset, sometimes it's skill set, and it's like she's walking with us every day, just inspiring us, motivating us to actually take action on what she's teaching us. Very, very powerful. I mentioned to you that replay is going to be 1 a.m. Dublin time, so I'm going to personally miss it. But when it's done, it's going to appear here, and I'll be able to catch the replay. Okay, this replay here, I was on the live. It was so good. I haven't marked it as done because I want to come back, watch it again. Probably after this at some point. Today is Sunday. I want to do that. Take notes on it. It was very, very powerful. Okay. Content vault, we have a vault here of content that we have permission to download onto our devices and upload onto our different stores on social media, right? We have social media training from 6 and 7-figure earners. Here we have members who've made 6 figures in 6 months. Here's where they teach us what they did. And then we have resources to invite people to webinars there, okay? So let me just finish off quickly by just sharing a few wins of people in our community, okay? So first $900 sale, Kaylee, 2 days ago said I got my first 900, my first sale today while tending to my yard sale. I posted about it on social media and have gotten 5 new leads so far into my funnel, right? So she made money and then she used that money to actually get more leads into a funnel, right? Victoria, 22 hours ago, she's actually one of our leaders. She went from cleaning houses, minding children, just to make enough money to start this business, to earning $400,000 in 13 months, right? She's a busy mom boy of 3 children, and she's absolutely crushing it, so much so that she actually mentors us as well, okay? So these are the different, Karen, 23 hours ago, 6 months in, she's become debt-free. Family, in the last 6 months, I've made over $60,000. So roughly about 10,000 per month, right? 10,000 in 30 days. What does the guide that I'm giving you do? It shows you how you can make 10K in 30 days, right? We have a community of members who are doing this. I paid off all my debt and helped my youngest with her university fees, right? How would you like to pay off your debt and help your youngest with the fees? And then actually she quit her job a month after joining this, right? So I'm sure you'll agree that a job in the oil rig wasn't paying her 10K a month, okay? So that's all about I'm going to share now, because what I want to invite you is click the link below, grab your free copy, and let's have a conversation. Let's see if this is the right fit for you. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic